guys, welcome back to my channel. And I wanted to go ahead and do a tutorial today to show you guys how to do some of these tricks you can do for your hair. So as you can see, I just did my hair, and I've been a hairdresser for about over 20 years. So some of the questions that I always get from my clients is how to tease hair. So teasing hair is not that hard. All you have to do is just pick up your hair for volume, which is really easy, and all you have to do is just go ahead and take a comb, something like this, or if you have a rat tail comb, that will work too, and then just back brush. So you're going to go ahead and take one side of the hair and just you're going to go ahead and brush it. So you can go as high as you want, and that's really up to you. Like for me, I like a lot of height. That's fine. So I have a lot more volume, and then I'm going to work my way up here for anyone who wants a little bit more. So there you go. I got some more here, and then and there you are. So look at how all that volume I have. And then I like to actually do a little more on my sides because it feels like it's really flat there. And the same thing with this. Just pick it up and then back comb it, and there you are. And that's pretty much how you get that look with a little bit more fuller volume. So I had curled my hair, and look how pretty it came out. I love the curls, and I just feel like it's a little flat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dry shampoo. It's a little trick that I use, and I will go ahead and just spray it right in the middle of it where I feel like I need more body. So right here is fine, and where you feel like you're a little bit just flat with your hair will work just perfect. And then I like to do it right on the crown area, and there you are. And then what I like to do is take my brush and just gently brush all of my hair, and there you go. So look at that. I think that turned out really good, and it's got a little more oomph that I needed. So I hope you like this video, and I am really loving this look. And what I did is I curled it, and then I just brushed it all out because I don't like too much of a curly look. You can also do that at home if you want to know. I have actually a video on it if you want to go check it out. And it's a really nice look. So I hope you enjoyed it.